Have you ever wondered how a dentist removes a tooth? Let's explore the process with 3D visuals. Teeth extraction is often necessary for reasons like overcrowding, tooth decay, infections, or impacted wisdom teeth. First, the dentist administers anesthesia to numb the area to ensure the procedure is pain-free. Next, the dentist uses a special tool to loosen the tooth, making it easier to remove. Once the tooth is loosened, the dentist gently pulls it out with precision, ensuring minimal discomfort. After the tooth is removed, the dentist cleanses the extraction site and may apply stitches to support healing. After your extraction, follow these simple tips for a smooth recovery. Avoid hard foods, take pain relievers as directed, and maintain oral hygiene while healing. Now you know how teeth extraction works. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more QuickMed 3D videos.